Hello guys, welcome to my channel eTrainerBox. Today we will discuss how to copy formula without changing cell reference. For example, in this table there are 4 columns: fruit, per unit price, number of units and sales. In the sales column, I simply multiply per unit price and number of units, then I get the sales amount. When I copy this formula in below cells, you will notice that the cell reference automatically change. Now if I copy the same formula in the below cells, as you see, Excel will automatically update the cell reference. But I want to copy this formula without changing cell reference. For this one, I have two options. First option is that I can edit the cell and copy the formula and paste it down in any below cell. Then you will see that Excel does not change any cell reference and calculate the formula in F15. But for the small assignments, this is working fine. But if you have very big assignments and you have multiple number of cells, then this is a big issue for you. So for the big assignment and where you have the multiple number of cell where you want to copy the formula without changing the cell reference, then you have to go in header and go to the find and select option, then click on the replace. In Excel, every formula start with equal, so you will put equal in find what and then you will go replace with. So you will replace equal with any text, for example, which you are sure about that is not mentioned in the formula. For example, I will write it not available and then I will click on replace all. When I click on replace all, then you will see that my all formulas come along with the text. After this, I simply copy this all formula and paste it anywhere where I want it. After that, I go again find and select and go to the replace and simply I copy the same text not available what I was mentioning replace with. I will go find what and paste it here and I will replace this text with the equal. Then again I will click on replace all. When I click on replace all, then you will notice that my all formula is working fine and without change any cell reference. In this way you can copy the whole set of formula without changing cell reference. So if you like my video, share it, and for the more videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.